Are you ready? Take one off. Put it on a circle. Put it on a circle. Good. Did you get it? Push it down. Push it down, Jonah. Push it down. Good. Take another one. Find another circle. Good job. That's two by yourself. Do another one. Where can it go? No, put it on the circle. No, silly, on the circle. Good. Take another one. Here. No. Put it on the circle.
So silly, Jonah.
Oh, Jonah, you're silly. Put it on the circle. It's sticky. It's sticky. It needs to go on the fish. On the circle to make a fish. Put it here. Put it here. Put it
What
here.
character?
Jonah. Put it here. Oh my. Where did it go?